everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are cooking in our garden. So today we are cooking palak with lamb. So guys, it's summer here, very nice weather, so I decided to cook in the garden today. So you can see behind me all my stuff there. So I'm going to prepare first. So guys, I'm making fire first. So guys, I'm going to prepare first. I've got onion, ginger, garlic, coriander, bay leaf, green chili, and I have got chopped tomatoes, and I have got powdered spices, and I have got garam masala, and I washed the palak or baby spinach already and drained the water, and I have got lovely lamb. I washed and drained the water there. So I'm going to prepare first. So I'm not going to grind today, I'm going to chop from my hand. So guys, this fire is done. So I'm going to put patila there. I'm going to put mustard oil, little bit. Let it warm. So guys, I'm going to put jeera, cumin seed. Then I'm going to put garlic. Have to fry at least 2-3 minutes till the garlic became little bit golden brown. Now you can see it's a little bit brown, so I'm going to add the onion. Then I'm going to add the fresh bay leaf. Then I'm going to add teaspoon of the salt. And I'm going to fry till little bit brown. So guys, I'm cooking first seasonal cooking outside. It's lovely weather outside. You can't trust the weather in the UK, especially in Newcastle. 1 minute is sunny, 1 minute is raining. So I want to enjoy my cooking outside. It's lovely flavor, charcoal flavor when you cook. I remember when I was young, my parents used to cook in the chula. So guys, next I'm going to add Kashmiri dry chili. This is lovely flavor, it's not very spicy. So I'm going to put for flavor. So guys, you can see I'm enjoying. It's nice, comfy. Next is chopped ginger and green chili. Then I'm going to stir up and let it fry 2-3 minutes. So guys, next I'm going to add coriander hard stick. So guys, we have to fry 2-3 minutes till golden brown everything. It's looking good. And fire is medium hot. It's not very high flame, look like it. So I think it's less chance to burn everything. So guys, you can see it's a little bit brown now. So I'm going to add the spices. 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder, teaspoon of the coriander powder, 2. Then I'm going to stir. Half teaspoon of dengi mirch for coloring only. Half teaspoon of chili powder. Then stir up. Make sure it's not burnt. Then I'm going to add the grind tomato, about 4 tomatoes there. Then I'm going to fry till the oil separate. So guys, I'm going to check how is it doing. Lovely. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the kasturi methi, fenugreek leaves. Then I'm going to fry. So guys, I'm going to check. So guys, you can see oil is separate now. So I'm going to add the meat. Then I'm going to keep this stirred up in the middle, and we have to cook another 10-15 minutes till everything is now fried. So you can see onion and garlic, ginger is still not fully fried yet. So I'm going to cook slowly, then I'm keep frying. So I'm going to put lid on. Meantime, when the meat is fried, so I'm making dough for chapati. So guys, I made the dough already, so I'm going to leave 10-15 minutes. So guys, you can see the water is started separating. So keep frying. It's lovely, absolutely. Smell is gorgeous. So I'm going to lid on again, then leave it. So guys, I'm making chapati now. One side I'm cooking meat and one side I'm making roti. So guys, you can see it's lovely chapati when you cook directly in there. Tandoori roti ki tarah ho gayi hai. Then I'm going to put the butter. Oh, it's nice. So guys, you can see everything is fried. And I didn't add any water, so I cooked very slow. So it's cooked now. You can see meat is breaking. So meat is breaking, you see. So I'm going to add the spinach now. I don't want to overcook the spinach, so just cook 2-3 minutes. So guys, it's 2 minutes already. So you can see spinach cooked already. So I don't want to overcook this spinach. It's lovely. So I'm going to add little bit garam masala, not too much. Then cover 2 minutes. So guys, this is a final look. This is ready to eat. So we're going to eat our dinner. So guys, our dinner is ready. You can see it's lovely. I have got some salad, chapati and lamb. So guys, we are having our dinner, and thanks for watching our video. Hopefully you like this video. So guys, till then, next video, bye bye and take care. So we are enjoying our evening here. So everyone, thank you very much once again and take care. Bye bye.